Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install PayPal crypto buying and manage withdrawals. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the PayPal app on your device. Log into your PayPal account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the home screen. Look for the crypto option displayed on the main page. Tap on the crypto option to access the cryptocurrency section. You will see various cryptocurrencies available for purchase. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to buy. Tap on the Buy button next to the chosen cryptocurrency. Enter the amount you want to purchase. Review the transaction details, including fees. If everything looks good, tap on Confirm to complete the purchase. To manage your cryptocurrency, go back to the Crypto section. Select Portfolio to view your current holdings. Here, you can track the performance of your investments. To withdraw your cryptocurrency, locate the Withdraw option. Select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Follow the prompts to choose your withdrawal method. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Review the withdrawal details carefully. Tap on Confirm to initiate the withdrawal process. You will receive a notification once the withdrawal is processed. Keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding your transaction. That's it, you've successfully bought and managed withdrawals of cryptocurrency using PayPal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.